Welcome to Devi's English. Let me explain you conjunction. A word that is used to join words or phrases or sentences is called a conjunction. There are two kinds of conjunctions. They are coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction. A coordinating conjunction combines two main clauses in a sentence. Example: she was sick, so she could not go to college yesterday. In this sentence, she was sick, one main clause. She could not go to college yesterday, another main clause. These two main clauses combining with one conjunction, that is so. So it is called coordinating conjunction. One more example. You must appear for the entrance test or you cannot get the admission. In this sentence also, you must appear for the entrance test, it is one main clause. You cannot get the admission, it is also another main clause. Two main clauses combining with are. So it is called coordinating conjunction. Some more conjunctions: and, both, and, as well as, not only but also, but, still, yet, nevertheless, or, either or, neither nor, otherwise, or else, so, therefore, for, as such, hence. These are all comes under coordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunction. A subordinating conjunction combines one main clause and one subordinating clause. Example: as she was sick, she could not go to college yesterday. So, whenever we are using as conjunction combining two clauses, then first one, she was sick, it's not give complete meaning. It depends upon she could not go to college yesterday main clause. So whenever we are combining one subordinate clause or dependent clause with main clause, then those conjunctions are called subordinating conjunctions. That means here in this sentence, she was sick depends upon another main clause, she could not go to college yesterday. One more example. When we informed them about our arrival, they made all the arrangements. In this sentence, they made all the arrangements, complete meaning giving there in this sentence. So it is main clause. When we informed them about our arrival, it does not give complete meaning. It is called dependent clause. We combined with when, then that is subordinating conjunction. When is subordinating conjunction. Some more examples. As soon as long as if, as though, then, so as, though, although, even though, even if, whereas, as much as, whatever, whoever, before, after, until, lest, because, while, when. These are all comes under subordinating conjunctions. Interjection. It expresses some sudden joy, sorrow, wish or desire, emotion or feeling. It is always identified by exclamatory mark. inside a class with a fixed place and a fixed function. Example: hell, hooray, bravo, alas, wish, oh, ah, a, my God, my godness, etc. Like these words with sudden feeling will come. Those are all comes under interjections. Example: hooray, we won the match. Oh, I have lost my purse. Hey, I have hurt your foot. Like these sudden expressions with small words we are indicating. Those are all interjections.